Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you two methods in how to fix cannot pin apps to taskbar in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you can do is you need to navigate here to start icon, tap on it, and proceed with the option called all. Click on it to show to show your app settings and documents. So please scroll down and locate the application that you want to pin or add in your taskbar. So let's say, for example, you want to add your Google Chrome in your taskbar. So please do a right click. Okay. And the moment you have do a right click, go with more and go with pin to taskbar. So in this manner, you would be able to pin your application, your Google Chrome application, aligning your taskbar. So that's the very first method. The second method that you can do is you need to press Windows and R key together. And by that, you would be able to open this small window called Run, where here you need to type for gpedit.msc. Click on OK to proceed. And the moment you have to click on it, a new window would appear, which is your local group policy editor, where here you need to expand your first row and proceed with administrative templates under user configuration. Okay, so please click this forward arrow. Okay, and wait until all of the file folder under administrative templates would appear. Once it's here, click this forward arrow, and this time you need to look for Start Menu and Taskbar. So here you need to adjust the size of this area, where here you need to scroll down and look for an option called Show Windows Store Apps on the taskbar. So we need to set it into not configured. So please do a right click or you can double tap to it and go with not configured. The reason why you face an error is that you might have accidentally set it into disabled. Okay, so please select not configured and click on OK and proceed by looking for the second option, which is, let me just sort this, let me just find it, which is this. Do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar. So please set it again into not configured. Click on OK. And once you're done, close this window and try to add a application again in your taskbar. I'm sure it will be pinned this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.